Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will talk about why your Panasonic microwave is not heating and how to fix it. Let's get started. Reasons why your Panasonic microwave is not heating. Broken magnetron. Essentially, the magnetron helps create microwaves that heat food. When the magnetron is damaged, the microwave will run normally but won't heat your food. Damaged door switch. The door switch inside the microwave is designed to stop the generation of microwaves while the door is open. When this switch is broken, no microwaves will be generated, so the microwave will not heat. Defective high voltage diode. The high voltage diode supplies the power needed by the magnetron to generate microwaves. A defective high voltage diode can lead to a malfunctioning microwave. A blown microwave fuse. The fuse ensures safety while the microwave is operating by guaranteeing a specific amount of electric current passes through. However, when it is blown, the microwave won't heat. Faulty thermostat. In a case where the thermostat is shorted open, it fails to enable the microwave to heat. Here is how to fix these issues. Replace the magnetron. Follow these steps. Turn off the power supply. Disassemble the microwave side. Locate the magnetron and discharge the capacitor. Detach any wire connections and inspect damages between the two magnets. Check if the metal cylinder is discolored. If you see these damages, consider replacing your magnetron with a new, compatible one. Assess and replace the door switch. Follow these steps. Turn off the power supply. Disassemble the control panel. Detach the wires on the control panel and unscrew the switch assembly. Disassemble the connectors and use an odometer to test the door switch. If the switch is defective, unscrew it and replace it with a new compatible one. Assemble everything back and test your microwave. Replace the high voltage diode. Follow these steps. Remove the microwave from the power supply. Isolate the control panel and then discharge the capacitor. Locate the defective diode and replace it with a new one. Assemble everything back and test your microwave. Replace the broken fuse. Follow these steps. Switch off the power supply. Remove the control panel. Locate the broken fuse, remove any wires obstructing it, and discard it. Connect the required wire connection to the new fuse and install it. Assemble everything back and test your microwave. Replace the faulty thermostat. Follow these steps. Locate the thermostat. Test for the thermostat's electrical continuity using a multimeter. If it fails the continuity test, consider a replacement. Thanks for watching.